All right, let's talk about how to keep your computer safe from viruses, and what to do if you ever see that dreaded blue screen of death. First up, prevention is key. Always keep your operating system and software updated. Those updates aren't just annoying pop-ups. They patch security holes that viruses love to sneak through. Next, install a reliable antivirus program. Free options. Paid options. Set it to scan automatically. Don't ignore those warnings. Be careful what you click. Don't open weird email attachments. Avoid downloading files from sketchy websites. If something feels off, trust your gut. Now, let's say things go sideways and you get the blue screen of death. Don't panic. First, write down any error codes you see. They can help you figure out what went wrong. Restart your computer. Sometimes it's just a one-off glitch, but if it keeps happening, try booting into safe mode. This loads only the essentials and can help you troubleshoot. Check for recent software changes. Check for recent hardware changes. Did you just install a new program? Did you just install a new driver? Try uninstalling it and see if things go back to normal. Run a virus scan in safe mode, just to be sure nothing nasty slipped through. And finally, if you're stuck, don't be afraid to reach out for help. There are tons of online forums and tech support options. Remember, prevention is always easier than the cure. Stay safe, keep your system updated, and don't let those viruses or blue screens get you down.